हेलो एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज हमारे इंग्लिश लिटरेचर वन लाइनर सीरीज़ का डे 13 है। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। अपॉन वेस्टमिनिस्टर ब्रिज इज अ सोनेट बाय वर्ड्सवर्थ। एंड आई फियर माई मास्टर डियर, वी शैल हैव अ डेडली स्टोम, आ लाइन्स फ्रॉम द बैलेड सर पैट्रिक स्पेंस कोटेड इन कोल्डिजेस डिजेक्शन एंड ओड। नेक्स्ट है हमारा शेलीज ओzymandias इज अ सोनेट। शेली एड्रेसेस द स्काईलार्क एज अ ब्लिथ स्पिरिट। टेनिसन्स यूलिसिस इज रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ ड्रामेटिक मोनोलॉग। टेनिसन्स इन मेमोरियम ends with a wedding poem celebrating the marriage of Tennyson's sister Cecilia. Fra Lippo is a dramatic monologue by Browning where Fra Lippo narrates the hardships of monastic life. Arnold's Doe Beach is addressed to his wife. The sick hurry and the divided ends of the modern life is presented in Arnold's The Scholar Gypsy. Next है The Gyre, the Swan and the great beast are symbols used by Yeats. The gyre symbolizes Yeats' philosophical belief that all things could be described in terms of cycles and patterns. In Yeats, the wild swans at Cooley, the swan is a symbol of a unchanging, flawless ideal. In Yeats' The Second Coming, the great beast emerges from the spirituous mundi to function as the primary image of destruction in the poem. Yeats says Sailing to Byzantium is about an imaginative journey. So Yeats का Sailing to Byzantium ये imaginative journey के बारे में है. Hopkins The Windower is written in sprung rhythm. इनका The Windower ये sprung rhythm में लिखा गया है. Eliot's The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock is an examination of the tortured psyche of the prototypical modern man. The first section in Eliot's The Waste Land is titled The Burial of the Dead. The longest section of Eliot's The Waste Land is The Fire Sermon, जो ये सबसे लॉन्ग सेक्शन है. A Game of Chess. The title of the second section of The Waste Land derives its title from a play by the 17th century playwright Thomas Middleton. Death by Water is the shortest section of The Waste Land. The final section of The Waste Land is titled What the Thunder Said. W. H. Auden, in memoriam of W. B. Yeats, is called an unconventional elegy since he does not pay any extravagant tribute to the poet. Hatless, I take off my cycle clips in awkward reverence. These lines are taken from Larkin's Church-going. A serious house on serious earth it is, in whose blent air all out compulsions meet, are recognized and robbed as destinies. These lines are taken from Larkin's Church-going. On the Move is a poem by Thomas Gunn. The patron of Jonathan Swift is William Temple. Of Ancient and Modern Learning is an essay by William Temple. The Battle of the Books is a short satire by Jonathan Swift. Swift's A Tale of a Tub was published in the year 1704. Swift's Gulliver's Travels is subtitled Travels into Several Remote Nations of the World. Fielding's Tom Jones was published in 1749. The action covered in Sterne's Tristram Shandy spans the year 1680 to 1766. In the characterization of Fanny Price in Mansfield Park, Jane Austen uses the Cinderella motif. Squire Glass is a character in George Eliot's Silas Marner. The Murderstone's Aunt Bessie Trotwood, the Pegotties and the Micawbers are characters from Dickens' David Copperfield. Mrs. Munn, Mrs. Bumble and Jack Dawkins are characters in Oliver Twist. Lockwood and Nellie Dean are characters in Emily Bronte's Wuthering Heights. William Golding's The Inheritors presents the Neanderthals as innocent and uncorrupt. So, William Golding's The Inheritors presents the Neanderthals as innocent and uncorrupt, while Homo sapiens are presented as corrupting their innocent world. The first novel of William Golding is The Lord of the Flies. William Golding की पहली नॉवेल The Lord of the Flies है. And Equal Music is a novel by Vikram Seth. The Shadow Lines and The Glass Palace are novels by Amitabh Ghosh. We are such stuff as dreams are made on, and our little life is drowned with a sleep. Prospero says this in The Tempest. As flies to wanton boys are we to the gods, they kill us for their sport, is a line from King Lear. Semantic is a branch of philology. The Mousetrap is the name of the play. Within the play in Hamlet, when Dryden said Donne affects metaphysics, he meant that Donne pretends to write like a philosopher. A new word formed by reversing the letters is known as anagram. Sobriquet means a nickname. Sobriquet means nickname होता है. Fielding's Tom Jones is dedicated to George Littleton. Caliban in The Tempest is portrayed as a monster. Ben Jonson perfected the mask while John Lilly had written earlier. Ben Jonson perfected the mask which John Lilly had written earlier. The Spaniards Don Adriano de Amado in Love's Labour's Lost is the parody of a courtly lover. The term pathetic fallacy was coined by John Ruskin. Bibliophile means book lover. Okay friend, thank you so much.